What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy T. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you are a new sub. Before we get into this Soul Supremacy beater box, man, I want to say thank you guys for 5,000 subscribers. The last video pushed it over the edge. We finally hit the 5K mark. Small to most, big to me. Appreciate each and every one of you guys taking time out your day to watch these videos, man. So thank you for that. Today, I got a $615 Soul Supremacy beater box. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box we buy from a company called Soul Supremacy out in California. I don't know what's in them. You don't know what's in them. It's a surprise. All brands, shapes, sizes, conditions, all that is a complete mystery. So, $615 box, man. I'm not going to talk too long. I got to get up out of here. So we're gonna jump right into this one. The last two boxes have been great. I'm hoping for the same thing with this one. And it looks strong just from opening the box. I say that because right off top, when have you ever seen this on top of a $615 box, man? A $350 right on the top. Back in the day, you had to spend way more to get these. I already know this is probably gonna be a cream. We got a size 10.5 Yeezy 350 cream. My size. These are not dead stock. They do have some dirt on the bottom, but these are very clean. Even the boost is still pretty clean on the bottom. Just a little bit of dirt need to be knocked off. 350s. Yeezys are probably dying or dead to some, but they do still hold a little bit of value. So this is not a bad pickup at all, especially for it to be the first pair out of this box. Size 10.5, like I said, but I won't be keeping these. Rest of these shoes do come with boxes, man, so that's always a good sign whenever the shoes come with the box. And I got some lab boxes. I got two lab boxes in here. This is a 9.5. This is a Jordan Lab 4. These are dope to me. A lot of people don't like these. These are that all patent leather Retro 4. They got a black pair and a red pair. And I already have this pair in my collection, so these will be going up for sale. Obviously they're 9.5, so I couldn't keep them if I wanted to. Check out the bottom. Check out the bottom. All patent leather, all black. It's a dope shoe to me, man. A lot of people don't like it, but I'm gonna rock with it. Next up, I got another 9.5. And I think, okay, I was wrong in my head. I got some Oreo 5s. Another black and white shoe. Oreo 5, size 9.5. Still in fairly good condition. If you guys see anything in these videos, man, you guys want contact me, man, hit me up at TGOTSOLE@gmail.com or on Instagram at TGOTSOLE. You can DM me and I'll hit you with some more pictures of anything in these boxes you guys see. Make it a little bit easier for you guys. I haven't been posting too much on eBay at all. Just been selling straight off of YouTube and locally. So we got another lab. These are a 9.5 also. I'm assuming all these came from the same person. This is the 3 with that all 3M material wrapped around it. These are not dead stock. These are not dead stock. Another pair of the lab joints. Still pretty clean. Check out the bottom. Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Man, we counting on that daylight to come in through the window. And it's gloomy here in Oklahoma. So I need to go ahead and invest in one of those good old ring lights, because I'm not getting any light coming in. Another 9.5. Man, I got somebody's 9.5 collection. infrared 23s. These are the 6 lows. Again, in great shape. Not dead stock, but in really good shape. If you are a 9.5, this box is meant for you. Very clean, very clean. All the shoes have been a 9.5 except the Yeezys, which was a 10.5. These have the original receipt in the bottom of the box too. All the boxes have been in great shape. So I got 2 pair left in this box. Size 9.5, Jordan 7. 9.5 again. Pantone 7. Back in the day with Soul Supremacy, you can order a box by the size that you wanted. And it seemed like I did that, but I didn't. They don't do that anymore. It's all mixed sizes. This box is just all 9.5 stuff. Pantone 7s. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. Not too much there. This was again a $615 box. And I'm not too mad at it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 7 pair. Last pair we're gonna end off with an Ultra Boost, and of course, it again is a size 9.5. And these are dead stock. So this will be a fast, quick flip. Dead stock Ultra Boost. I'm a fan of the comfort of Ultra Boost. I like the look of NMDs better, but Ultra Boost feel better to me. I don't know the nickname of these at all. I don't have Ultra Boost in my collection, but Ultra Boosts are comfortable, man. These are dead stock. I don't know the name of them. Still have the tags hanging on there. So that will conclude the $615 box. If you are new to the channel, you are not subscribed, man, hit that subscribe button, because I got some more stuff coming in, more boxes every week. So make sure you subscribe so you guys can check them out. Again, thank you for the 5,000 subs. We actually probably would have been there sooner, man. I sent a bunch of people to the block party, man. You come to this channel with any kind of bad vibes, negativity, I send you to the block party, man. So I do this for a hobby. It's been fun. It's been dope. I enjoy it. Still have fun opening up mystery boxes. Still have fun communicating with you guys on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, wherever. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Hopefully we continue to grow. If you're new to this and you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I will have more boxes coming in. So yeah, this is gonna be a short one. You can tell I'm kind of rushing today. I'm supposed to be meeting some people at the gym so we can get this arm day cracking. So I'm gonna get out y'all face, man. Make sure you hit me up on Instagram, TGOTSOLE, Twitter, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com. You can tap in with me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. And I'm out. Peace. Hey man, before I forget, leave questions down below too for the Q&A. I'm gonna drop this. I'm gonna do it this vid, take questions, and then the next Beater Box vid, I'm gonna take questions. And then I'll drop the Q&A vid, man. I got some good questions on that last video. I know it's dark, y'all can barely see me, I'm in traffic. But just leave questions down below, man. Q&A, whatever y'all wanna know, let me know, and I answer them in the Q&A. I'm out. Peace.